Welcome to Eagle and Rue and the Art Room. I am so sorry that I have not posted recently. My May, beginning of the month, had a great deal of ambition, and then my schedule went haywire. So here I am. It's the middle of June, and I'm just going to put out this really quick video saying, hello, I haven't forgotten about you. I am still making things. I make things all the time. I'm in my art room on a daily basis, but I will tell you, it is over 100 degrees in my house right now because it's 100 degrees outside. And I have no air conditioning. I live in Montana with no air conditioning. So when I sew right now, I am sewing in my skivvies, and that is not film friendly. So that's why you haven't seen a whole lot. Also because my schedule kind of went crazy. So last time you saw me post, I posted that I was releasing a pattern in May on my Patreon account. That pattern is done. I should be able to release it in August. I apologize for all of you that were waiting for that. It is a pair of bloomers that are snap crotch. So they are underwear, basically, to wear under your skirts or your bloomers or activewear. They are loose, they're comfortable, and I love them. They are going to be a grid pattern, so you will have to size up or down as needed. It isn't going to come in a variety of sizes. It's just a grid pattern. If you want that, great. Become a paid subscriber and you will get that pattern. The other interesting notables is that I have quite a few embroidery videos coming. I have 3 pretty big embroidery projects on the books, and so I will be filming that process. Now, something that I've done all of 2020, almost all of 2020, 2019, 2020, and 2021, I was releasing a video every week. I'm not doing that anymore. I've decided to, with a year and a half under my belt, that I'm not too worried about YouTube's algorithm anymore. I just don't care. What I care about is making content that I enjoy making the thing and sharing it with you. And that's how I'm going to be running my YouTube channel from now on. So it won't be on a regular schedule. You will see what you see, and hopefully you will enjoy what you see. And hopefully that will be enough. But I want to share with you my passion of making things, and I'm all over the map. I have a Venetian project coming. I have a Elizabethan Tudor project coming. I have a Viking 18th century, or not a Viking, an 18th century pocket coming. Possibly some embroidery on a Viking outfit. We will see. But I have all kinds of plans, and I will be filming and posting those videos, but it won't be on a weekly basis anymore. And I just want to say thank you so much to all of you that stuck with me and discovered me in 2020 and have been with me since 2015. This channel has developed and grown and been all over the map. The other one more piece that I kind of wanted to throw out there was I actually have 2 YouTube channels, and I have a business, and I work. So I'm a really busy person. And one of the things that I chose to do a couple years ago was separate my work YouTube channel versus my business YouTube channel versus my hobby. When this is my hobby, I sew. And that became very onerous. And in the last 6-8 months, I've been very unhappy with that. So I am actually going to combine them back together again. So those of you who watch my content and have watched me diligently through Eagle and Rue, daily devotions, back to Eagle and Rue, I'm all over the map. Just shake your head and say, okay, Red, you've changed your mind. And I have. And I'm putting it all back together again. Mostly for consistency and my own sanity, because I am way overwhelmed. I have a lot of things on my plate, and I'm not willing to give any of them up yet. Sometimes you have to make choices, and I am better at adding things to my plate than I am taking things off of my plate. And right now, I don't want to give any of it up. So that's what's moving forward. You're going to see some odd content come up. But it's only odd in the sense that it's part of my whole life. My whole life is very diverse. It's very complex. I have a lot of interests in a lot of different areas. And That's what makes me who I am. That's what makes me the personality that I am. And I feel like when you watch my content all about just costuming and history bounding and making a historically inspired wardrobe, you're getting a piece. You're getting a piece of my personality, but you're not getting the whole picture of the motivations, and maybe you don't care, and that's okay too. But I can't be anything but my 100% authentic self. And that authentic self is all over the map. I have always been an artist. I've always been somebody who thinks outside the box. And I have autism, and that makes it challenging on top of it. So I decided that I'm just going to not worry about splitting stuff up. I thought it would make it easier, and it really didn't. It actually made it harder. And I'm about ease and doing things for fun and enjoying my life and living my life in an authentic way. And I should present myself 100% such. I know there are other people in this box. I know there are other people who live their lives very much like I do. I know I'm not alone, but I have felt alone for a very long time. So if there's anything I can do is share that I'm not the only one that's doing it this way. I'm not the only one who adds more things to my plate and has a hard time taking things off. I'm not the only one who loves sharing my enthusiasm for art and creativity with other people. I'm not the only one who is very task management oriented, lists and getting things done and sharing that with other people. So thank you so much for listening to my little ramble here, but this is my update video, and I just want to make sure that comes out here middle of July, because things are starting to iron themselves out a little bit again, and I should have more time to actually film making. It should also cool off a little bit, I'm hoping, in the next month. Maybe that's wishful thinking. But right now it's 100 degrees in my house, and I'm starting to drip sweat. So have a beautiful day, and thank you so much for watching. Hit like and subscribe. Please stay tuned. There's more stuff coming.